Hi, everyone, and welcome to Lisa's Story Corner. I'm so glad you're here. Are you ready for today's book adventure? Today we're going to read Bobby and Benny Build a Boat. Will they be successful? Let's find out what happens when friends work together. Will Bobby and Benny be successful? Will their boat float? Let's get ready to read. Please follow along. Bobby and Benny were best friends who loved building things together. One sunny morning, they sat by the lake and watched the ducks swimming peacefully in the water. "I wish we could float on the water like the ducks," said Bobby. Benny's eyes lit up with excitement. "Let's build our own boat." The two friends ran to Bobby's garage to gather supplies. They found wooden planks, nails, and a hammer, and some rope. "This will be perfect," Benny yelled. Bobby drew a simple boat design on paper. "It needs to be wide so it won't tip over," he explained. Benny nodded and added, "And we need seats for both of us." They started by laying out the wooden planks for the bottom of the boat. Working together, they measured each piece carefully to make sure everything would fit just right. Bobby held the planks steady while Benny carefully hammered the nails. Tap, tap, tap went the hammer. They took turns so both friends could help build their boat. Next, they attached the sides of the boat. This was the trickiest part. They had to make sure the sides were straight and strong enough to hold them safely. "We need to make sure no water gets in," said Benny. They used special wood glue along all the joints and cracks to seal their boat tight. Bobby and Benny built two simple seats inside their boat. They made sure the seats were comfortable and positioned perfectly for rowing together. The friends painted their boat a bright blue color, just like the lake water. While the paint dried, they made two wooden oars for rowing. "It's ready!" Bobby shouted with joy. They stood back to admire their beautiful blue boat. It looked perfect for their first adventure on the lake. Carefully, the two friends carried their boat down to the water's edge. Even though it was heavy, they worked together to move it safely to the lake. They gently placed the boat in the shallow water. To their delight, it floated perfectly. The boat bobbed gently on the small waves, ready for its first passengers. Bobby climbed in first, then helped Benny get in safely. They each took an oar and began rowing slowly around the peaceful lake, feeling very proud of their work. As the sun began to set, Bobby and Benny rowed back to shore. They had built more than just a boat. They had built wonderful memories together. "Tomorrow, let's build something else," said Benny with a grin. It's amazing what we can build with planning, preparation, and teamwork. Will you build a boat? The only question left to ask you is, what color are you going to paint your boat? If you'd like to bring this story home for your family, you can find the paperback and the ebook versions at the links right down in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to Lisa's Story Corner so you don't miss our next book adventure. See you next time, and remember, every adventure can begin with a book. Bye!